Hello everyone, welcome back to Radio Parts. Today I'm gonna introduce you the 3-channel remote control helicopters. The model number is HELI42. This remote control helicopter features 3-channel control and the gyro system. With the gyro system, you can fly up, down, forward, backward, turn right and turn left. The gyroscope will let you fly more stable and arbitrary. And also it is equipped with the flashlight, which allows you to fly in the night. It has double protection for the motor, and it has built-in lithium battery. The battery is 3.7 1.1 amp battery, normally charged around 100 minutes and allows you to fly 7 to 8 minutes. This remote control helicopter is 405 millimeters length, 80 millimeters wide, and 200 millimeters height. Now I'm gonna open the box and show you what are inside. The front part is helicopter and the remote control, and the accessories are at the back. The accessories include the remote control and antenna, and user manual and a power supply. The remote requires 4 AA batteries, which is not included, and now you install the antennas to the remote control. So now I'm gonna show you how to set up and do a few simple demo. When the first time you use it, make sure you plug this one into the battery port, and also you can recharge the battery by plug the power supply into the charger port. And also at the other side, and there's a switch, make sure you turn it on. And now you can see the remote is flashing now. It means it is searching for the signal. You can activate the remote control by press the controller. Now let's take a closer look at the remote controller. And this is the switch, turn it on or off. And this is up and down. And there are 2 speed mode, fast mode and slow mode. And this one is you can turn left, turn right, or move forward, backward. And this is the one is used to balance the helicopter when it turns clockwise or anti-clockwise. So this button is for up and down, left and right, move forward, backward. And also you can change the speed mode to fast and to slow. That's pretty much it.